Hey guys, it's the Cloud Apps Tutor, and today I want to show you how to get going on a new video project. Even when you don't really have video content to work with, how can you set up the initial title slide? How can you get going? So I teach an 8th grade media arts course, or it's actually an elective, and that's exactly the place where some of my students are. So the first thing you want to do is create a new video. And I think what we're going to see next is the option to go horizontal or square. So as long as we're making movies, we definitely want to choose horizontal. We're not making content for Instagram right now. Now, you've got access as a student to a lot of stock video. I don't really care about that. What I care about right now is all of this over here. So if you click on graphics, you can add any of these effects to your video project, and it looks pretty cool. So you got orange glow, golden streaks, pink glow. So let's try that. We'll put that right there, video 1. So we've got pink glow. Now in a moment, we're going to add some music, and we can also add some text. Let's add some music. Now, WeVideo gives you a bunch of demo tracks. Let me give you a sense of some of their tunes. Okay, I like that one. So let's pull that down into audio. Okay. And now we just need some text. So let's go here. And keep in mind, with any of these title formats, you can change the font. So let's go with that one, and we'll pull that down. And remember, it has to go on top of the background that you chose. So watch this. See, it's an invisible background. And so if you click on the text, then you see the pencil, and that edit button means well, the pencil button means you can edit. So, my awesome video. And I'm actually not a huge fan of that font, but you can adjust all of that here. Zadum. Oh, too dumb. My awesome video. Okay. And you can change the size. Just click manual, and you can adjust the sizes here. Okay. Whatever you want, and then we hit done editing, and let's check it out. Well, let's back up to the beginning. Okay, and one other thing too, if you click on these video clips, if you click on this, I don't know what to call that symbol, but it lets you fade in the video, and you can also fade in the title. Let's do that too. And we can also, oh, actually, by the way, we can move this over just a little bit. There, so the title doesn't show up right away. And let's shorten the music, because right now it's way longer than my clips. So let's move it to about the 12-second mark. And we'll hit cut. And then we can just delete the rest of it. And maybe fade out the audio. So we'll have it appear right away, but then fade it out. And then just hit finish. And how to make an entrance. And I like to record in 1080p. Someone's sharpening their pencil right now. That's why we have that lovely sound. And this should process pretty quickly because it's only 12 seconds. So I'm just going to pause my tutorial. Okay, so our video is magically processed, and it's ready to be downloaded. So let's download video. And I like to put all my videos in one spot in my organization scheme. You do what you need to do, but that's the way I like to do it. How to make an entrance, and we'll say on WeVideo. All right, and that's about it, guys. So you can see that in the course of just a couple of minutes, okay, close to 5 minutes, you can make a pretty sweet entrance on WeVideo and set up your project even if you don't have a lot of content ready to go.